Okay, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. This is Learn All Tutorial Center, whereby we teach you on various applications and softwares. So today we are going to show you on how you can make your folder invisible like this one. It is a folder right here. We just created it, but we've made it invisible. So without wasting time, let us right click. When we right click, a box will come with this. So we go to where there is new. Then if you go to where there is new, another box will come. Then you click on folder. So when you click on folder, a new folder is made, as you can see. Now what you should do is you right click on it. After you right clicking on it, you go to where there is properties down here. So when you click on properties, you go to where there is customize. When you go to where there is customize, you go to where there is change icon. So when you go to where there is change icon is, we try to look for the invisible folder which we're going to use, and it is right here. The invisible folder is right here. So we can choose that invisible folder from there. So we press OK, then apply, then OK. As you can see, our folder has disappeared as we want. So that is this. This is a step-to-step guide for making this. I hope everyone